Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge keeps appearing on Windows 11, 10 desktop. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, select MS Edge, click Disable. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command common startup. Delete MS Edge shortcut. Third method is type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar, click Task Scheduler. Select Microsoft Edge related tasks, simply disable it. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Create new key named as Edge Update. Create new DWORD 32-bit value, named as Create Desktop Shortcut Default, change value data to 0. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.